Hi, boys and girls. Now that you learned how to use the snipping tool, I'm going to show you how to insert the picture into your table. I'm going to put my cursor here where it says pansies, because if you remember, we snipped a picture of the perfect pansy from your virtual garden. So I'm going to put my cursor here in the column where it says picture of successfully grown plant. So I'll put my cursor here, and then, I'm going to go to Insert. I'm going to find the word Pictures, and if you remember, I think I named it Pansies Pick. So here it is, right here, Pansies Pick, and I'm going to insert that into my table. Now, I think this picture is a little bit large, so what I'm going to do is find a corner, and I know we've talked about this in class, and I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller just so it fits a little bit better into our table, because I know I'm going to have to add other pictures into our table in addition to the two that I already have here. So that is the way to insert the picture of your garden plant into your table.